matod nila. Sir Manny, human na. Ha? Oh my God, thank you very much. Look, ang biro lang yun, joke lang yun, Sir Manny. Magkano ba talaga yan? Andiyan lang na, magkakilo ko nakuha ito. Ha? Dito? Dito banda? O sige, lapitan na natin dito. Sir, mas malapit na ako, sir. I'm closer to your pocket now. Yan, okay. Salamat. Anong kanta gusto ninyo, sir? Kahit na ano? Walang ganun na kanta, O sige, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special request. This song was composed by a composer, arranged by an arranger, and sung to us by a singer. Actually, this song was composed by one of my cousins. Ladies and gentlemen, Lionel Richie is my cousin. Kasi nitong ko lang, hindi ko naman cousin talaga. A song entitled, Hello. Yeah, Lionel Richie. Here we go. Hello. But in 2 years na, hindi po natapos ang composition, naubusan siya ng idea. So he kept the composition. Luckily, there was a Filipino composer na awa sa kanya, tinulungan siya para matapos yung kanta. That's why the song is a bit inclined to Filipino music. Alam mo ng Pilipino, pag tumulong, gusto rin makilala ang buang. Here we go. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I kiss your lips 1,000 times. Sometimes I see you walk outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. I'm sad and lonely, or if someone's loving you. Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. At sa kalalakad ng pakinding-kinding, tapos na, palakpak na. Sir Manny, tapos na talaga. Isa pa? Isa na naman. Ano ba ito naman, Sir Manny? Oo. Sige na, ay, last na to, Sir Manny, ha? Last na to. Last na to, Sir Manny. Sige. Kung saan kanta ako mo? Ang saan kanta? Sige, bahala na to. Ako na bahala, Sir, ha? Binisaya, Sir? May dagdag ang bayad. Okay, so here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the very special request. Asong entitled, anak, kanta ito ni Freddy, Sir. Binago kong lyrics ba? Alang-alang sa'yo, Sir. I am willing to sacrifice just to make you happy. I'm not over yet as long as you sacrifice your money. That's a song entitled Anak. Anak. Siyempre, naglilibor pa. Alam naman lumabas agad. Unahin yung labas bago libor. Nabuang mo. Ayun, labas na, Sir. Kasi pang siyam na, Sir. Baliwala na lang. Para nagluluwa na lang sa nabuto ng santol. Nangisilang ako sa ulong gabo. Laking tuwa ng nanay ko. At meron na siyang anak na negro. At ang lolo at lola ko di malaman ng gagawin. Minamasdan tisoy nilang apo. Sa gabi napupuyat ang aking nanay sa pag-inom ng ladies drink. May komisyon, may komisyon. Wala magagawa receptionist kasi ang nanay ko. In other words, in English, my mother was a hostage in Olongapo. Sa umaga na may kalong ako ng aking amang anak rin ng negro. Dalawa na kami. Ngayon nga ay malaki na ako, malaki na rin ang ko. Manang-mana ako sa nag-imbita sa akin dito. Ako nga ay biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang ulo ko. Kaya tinawag akong Totoy Stone. Di lang nila alam ng ginagawa'y para sa show ninyo. Palakpak naman kayo. Pagkat ang gustong masunod, ang layaw kong di ko sila pinapansin. Nagdaan pang mga araw at ang landas ko'y naligaw. Ako ay napunta rito sa Jensen. At ang una kong nilapitan, ang pogi kong kaibigan. At ang tanong, Senator Manny, pwede ba kong kumanta riyan? At ang kaniyang mga matay kumikindat. Sabi Norman, walang bayad yan. Pagsisisi at sa isip ko nang malaman ko, ako'y nagkamali. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the English version of the song. Since we have maybe some foreign guests tonight and they don't understand what we are talking, what we are laughing. So I'm gonna translate this one in English, of course, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the English version of that song, sung to us by the late member of the Beatles. If you're familiar with the group Beatles, the group who used to popularize the song, if I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true? And heaven and nature sing. Sir Manny, Merry Christmas! English version, sir, English version. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, oh let it be, let it be, oh let it be. And in my hour of need, still come right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be again. Let it be, oh let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Now, sad to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that song was not really finished because John Lennon was already dead at that time. Just clap your hands and the song is ended. Thank you very much. Now for my very last song, let's do some rock and roll. You want to hear some rock and roll? Yeah. Louder, please. You want to hear some rock and roll? Yeah. Sorry, I don't play rock and roll, but I will try. I will try. Okay, there we go. So yes, again, do like this, do like that. All right. Rock and roll. Si Pilimon, namasok sa kadagatan. Nakakuha, oh, isang tambasakan. Di baligya, sa merkadong guba. Ang hanin poros kura, igurang iparoba. I said 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to rent, go. But don't you clap your hands, step on my blue sweat hill. Will you get to the thing, just step on my blue sweat hill. When I was a little bird, my mom would rock me in a cradle in that old kind of this back home. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Islands, from the redwood forest to the icy waters. Oh, this land was made for you and me. Now everybody sing the song. I know that you know the song. Here we go. Repeat after me. Here we go. You are my sunshine, everybody. My only sunshine. Louder. You make me happy. All right. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Gusto ninyo mas masaya? Mas masaya? Panahon na para magsaya. Forget mo na ang problema. Para-dance, para sumigla. Rock ka na lang ang umaga. Wakot sa pang magpa-cry-cry. Time ko ay turubigay. Kaya dyan na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time. Ang panahon